The importance of lighting up your outdoor living space with beautiful outdoor lighting. You want to have night lights, you want to have night life, you want to be able to enjoy that space in the evening, summer hours, and really want to extend that even into the fall, winter months. You can do that with good, well thought through outdoor lighting plans. We're going to talk to you all about that in this video. So lights are another thing that will pull you out from your house, from inside the house outside. So if you have a beautiful outdoor lighting plan, night light, so to speak, you will be pulled right out and want to go hang out into the space for sure. But lights also are a practical thing. They're safety. Safety for, intruders, but they're also safety for you and your guests. So we've talked a lot about flow through the space, destination through the space, how to get from point A to point B, but we want to make sure we're doing that safely. So lights will help us, of course, navigate from point A to point B. But we also want to make sure that it's pretty. So you don't want to have the lights just kind of sticking out as a sore thumb. You want to have them well built into the space. And you're going to see that a lot in this video. How to make it all blend with the landscape, with the hardscape, with the destination. You want to let that lighting and the plants kind of flow together to provide that light that you want to see, but not overdo lights. You don't want it to be a runway, so to speak. You want it to be a softening and an enjoyment that will pull you out to enjoy the space and not overdo the space. Now, when you're thinking about outdoor lighting, I really want you to think about the bones first. I always say this, but the structures are going to help a lot with the lights. So your home lights, your sconces right outside of your doors, and then your outdoor living space. If you have a covered structure, you have the down lights, you have the pendant lights, you have the fan lights, you have the chandeliers. These are obviously magnets for light that we want to make sure that we are lighting up and grabbing our attention from inside the house, pulling us outside. Another thing I want you to think about is mood lighting or atmosphere lighting. Of course, if you're going to take an outdoor hot tub during the evening hours, I personally like that to be a very dark time. I want to be in my hot tub looking up at the night sky to be able to really enjoy the stars at night. So I don't want a lot of lights around me. Now that's vice versa too for a patio space. Maybe you want to light that up for an evening gathering. Maybe you're having a get-together, a barbecue, and it goes into the evening hours. You want to make sure that that's lit up enough for people to see what they're doing during that evening hour. Another cool feature of outdoor lighting could be a post lamp. Look at this job as we put 2 lamps in the yard itself. It added some symmetry next to this reflection pond. Now this reflection pond was designed to reflect the architecture of the home, and we didn't want to necessarily have a lot of lights in the pond, but we wanted to reflect the light from the home and the post lights to be able to really provide a secondary architectural look, but a secondary light source as well. Another thing about lighting is that you can light up water. So pools, hot tubs, water features light up the nightlife wonderfully. And a lot of these ones, especially in the modern lighting world, you can have color changing, you can have color features that really make those areas stand out a lot. So consider that, and we're going to show you a lot of ideas on lighting right now. Another way I like to use lighting is to light up water features at night. Now these can really have multiple effects. As that light shines off of the water, you're going to get a little bit of overage on the house, maybe a little bit of overage on the plants. And it's going to kind of move in a different way because it's reflecting from that water. So think about that too as you're designing your outdoor space. Is there a way that you can highlight anything with water? And then let's light that up for those nighttime hours. Another trick with string lights is putting them along the top of a fence. Now this just really adds a lot to the space, especially along a border, which usually fences are. Grab some string lights, put them at the top of the fence, and all of a sudden you've created a nice little pathway, so to speak, that'll draw your eye and pull you over to the designated space. This could be a patio space that's just bordered with a little fence. And all of a sudden you've created a nice little evening destination. I also want you to think about safety lights, such as steps or path lights. So along steps, of course, you want to make sure that you're lighting up stepways and pathway steps, so you're not going to have a fall in the evening hours. Even one stair that is not lit up could be a potential hazard for nighttime traffic. So really think about that as you're planning your space. If you have any elevation change in your pathways, you want to make sure to light up that transition, that step, to make sure that it's a safe environment for traffic. Can see just from these photos the importance of having good outdoor lighting plans. But now we're going to talk to you about how to get from a lighting plan, and now we're going to talk to you about how you can fill the space with good outdoor decor. A whole video on the importance of outdoor decor, and it cannot be understated either. So a lot to all of this, but I hope you're enjoying it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe right now, and we'll see you really shortly in the next video. Just kind of sticking out as a sore thumb, you want to have them well built into the space. And you're going to see that a lot in this video, how to make it all kind of vibe? How to make it all, what is the word? How to make it all blend?